This video will highlight the procedure for inserting a controller into a chassis which has one healthy controller running. In this example, we will be replacing the top controller, also known as the A controller. If available, use a wrist strap or take appropriate ESD precaution. Before installing the controller, ensure the thumb screws are loosened and the tabs are pressed downward. Slide the controller into the slot. Press up on the thumb tabs to secure the controller into the chassis. With the Phillips screwdriver, tighten the captive screws below the thumb tabs. Note the LED activity while the controller is initializing. Insert the network cable, J-Bot expansion cable, and the 12 gig SAS host port cable. The controller will continue through its boot up sequence. Note the activity on the LEDs. Verify that the through OK LED illuminates solid green, indicating the controller has initialized and is operating normally. Often the cache LED will light green as well, depending on if there is data that is unwritten. This information can be log or debug data and does not by itself indicate any user data is at risk or that any action is required. For additional LED information, please refer to the Ultra48 setup guide. Additional details on the controller replacement can be found in the FRU replacement guide.